Hi everyone, so I'm going to be showing you how I remove my builder gel nails at home. So these were just a set that I did a few weeks ago actually, so let's get started. So I'm going to start off with my nail drill. So the one that I'm using is the nail drill by Melody Susie, and I'm bringing it up to 8,000 RPM, and I'm using a carbide bit there, and I'm going to be filing off most of the gel product off the nail, especially the shine, which is going to be really helpful for the soak off process. This whole process took me about half an hour to do, and I'm going very lightly across the nail, making sure that the e-file is parallel to the nail and not perpendicular. So you want to go light pressure, you shouldn't have really any resistance, and just go carefully. So I did end up cutting my nails because I am going to be doing a gel X set afterwards, but that's what they looked like after. Now I ended up soaking my nails with acetone for about 15 minutes, and once some of the gel has come off, I'm going to take this tool here and just gently scrape off any gel. It should come off relatively easy. If there's any gel that's stubborn on your nail, which you're probably going to experience, I'm just going to go back in afterwards and soak them in for an extra 5 minutes to get rid of any of the remainder gel. Once I've taken off the builder gel from the nails, they look a bit dry because of the acetone, but I'm going to be taking a fine sanding band and going over the nail and getting rid of any excess gel. So there might be some bumps of gel left, so just kind of lightly go over the nail, getting rid of any of that didn't come off from the tool itself. So I ended up just filing my nails a little bit just so there's no sharp edges, and I'm also going to clean up my cuticles as well. I'm not going to film this part, but I'm just going to prepare them because I am going to be doing a new set the next day, and that is what they looked like. So the cuticles are all cleaned up, and to finish off the whole process, I'm going to be applying some cuticle oil and also moisturizing my hands just so they don't stay dry. And that is it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It was super easy. Let me know if you have any questions.